Right now in this video, I'll show you clearly with proof and evidence how pro firms are scams. Pro firm is a scam. Stop trading pro firms. Watch this video to the end to learn why you should stop trading pro firms and not take them serious anymore. All right, welcome back everybody, welcome back. So as I said earlier, I will show you vividly why you should stop trading pro firms, why pro firms are scams. I believe all of them have one goal, all of them have one algorithm they work with, and I think they have different means of making money. Their first means of making money, okay, before I go into the details, is through your subscription fee, to the challenges you buy, of course, and you blow them off. Of course, I've been in that shoe as well. Many years ago, some years ago, just all of the year you keep buying and buying and buying. I was a fantastic buyer. I keep buying and buying and I keep blowing them off. At times I'll pass phase one, I'll blow phase two off. It's a phase two that was really getting me hard. They make money from that. And just few of them makes money from traders that are profitable. But why I will tell you today why they are scams and why you should avoid pro firm is this. I will give it some my personal experience, what I went to. Some of these your popular pro firms, Funding Next, Funding Pips, FSTM, all of them. For me, I think these guys are in business to make money. Am I talking to somebody? Typically, of course, you yourself as a trader, you want to make money in the business, in the market. They themselves, they want to make money as well. Of course, they didn't start up pro firms just for them to help people like that. The idea was not, the concept was not to help. Let's get that noted. The concept was to make money while they are trying to help. The assumptions is just the helping that is coming. It's not really the real concept. It's for them to make money because they believe that 80% of traders lose money in the market. And of course, many people just dive into FOREX based on their mentors. Oh, FOREX, I bought Lamborghini in FOREX in just 1 month. That kind of mentality, you watch it, put in your millions and you blow it off. So that mentality are very rampant and common. So they can rip them off and make a lot something out of them. So they believe that people that will come like that and they will make money through them. So the concept actually is not for them to help traders, as they will claim to say. That from them, so pro firms is here to help you, give you funds so you can trade. Do not subscribe to that shit. Pro firms are there to make money off you, man. Even though they provide you accounts and every other stuff, I'll share my experience. Don't worry. They provide you accounts and every other stuff. Majority of them, 90% provide you demo accounts. That is it. If you look at the back end, you realize that you're just trading demo. So why some tends to pay you if you are still earning 3 to 4 digits, they pays you. And then you are making something crazy 100k, you're making something crazy figures, you will start to have issues. And you realize that this guy doesn't even have money to pay you. Then you're like, come on, this is fucked. But if you still 10k, 20k, all those, it's still quite okay for them to pay you out. And something lower than that, you will not see their yarns outside by then. But by the time you begin to do some pulling out some crazy figures, numbers, you realize that these guys do not. All of them, they are the same actually. What I just believe and what I fully understand, I'll share my experience actually, so you can know why I'm saying all of this. What I fully understand is that if you have the money or you have someone that can fund you, go ahead and fund. Make that deposit, make that funding. In case you don't have any, a trustable, a credible, this thing you're looking for, credible broker, you have a link below this description. You can use them. Because if you use them, we're going to be getting, is it commission or what? Okay, you're going to be getting something, not just a little dollar actually, $1 or $2, and as much as you trade and engage with them, we get that. So that is for that actually. So back to our stocks. So they are actually they are scammers. Not that scammers like that. I would just say they are business guys. That's simple. They are business guys. They are there to make money. So do not see them as they are helping me. I need to buy 10K account. I need to buy 100K account. So by the time I pass that, I will make this over me. My dear, these guys are there to make money. You also are in the market to make money. And let's see who will not make the money. Stop having a mindset that they are there to help you. They're there to make money. So I will share my experience with you guys so you can understand much better why I said this. So 80% of these guys offers you what we call demo account. Even when you passed everything, you funded and everything. See how you demo account. When you look at your activities, your passing was quite let's say was more or less a luck and not really out of the benchmark of a professional trader. They will offer you this thing. They will offer you demo for like 2, 3 ICC. By the time you pass, you withdraw, you pass. They will leave you for like 3, 6 months. If you can do that consistently without you bringing everything, then may now consider, I think you can make profit from this guy. This guy is profitable. Yeah, he's profitable. Otherwise, once you see your stuff, they say, this guy is not. They will offer you demo. And they will point that demo is you just like, how do I put it? How do I put it? Okay, just like someone that wanted to buy something, phone now, you want to buy phone, you stay in Lagos, Nigeria, and they not package fufu for you. You're hoping that you don't open the fufu till you get home. And once you get home, it has gone. That's exactly how it is. So they'll be hoping that by the time you don't violate, by the time you're hoping that you violate that shit so that they can come back and buy. So that is for that. But if you can put them on for 3 to 6 months, they'll have to provide you a will so that whenever you make profit, you can now make profit. That one happens just few among them. Majority of them offers demo. I'll tell you, look at the back end, what is going on the back end. It's crazy, guys. I'm telling you some real revelations, real stops that happen at the back end. But what you be seeing at your hand is just a real, but rehearse. It's not real. In the real back end of the market, the stuff is not licensed in the market. What we're trading, the liquidity is not in the market at all. Am I talking to somebody? So let me share my experience about one of the so-called, they are very actually good. Actually good. I see them as one of the good. Yeah, actually good. They're doing well in the industry right now. It's called from the pips. Normally I do not do pro firms, but recently I tried them out. I put it out that on the video the first time I tried it, and then I bought the lowest account, which even though I can afford to buy the highest and the highest, 100K and the likes. But when you're coming to something, it's always good to humble yourself. Don't always think because you have the money. One of the things that kills traders a lot. You have the money, you can actually fund 10 million, 50 million, and the likes like that. But you're just coming to this market because you want to make money, you want to be greedy. That greediness, just bam, you put everything there and you market well and you say the FOREX is a scam. It's not a scam. Why not start small? Learn it, learn on the job, get some experience, get some skills. Then by the time your skills is now scaling, you can put in more. The higher skills, the higher the money you should put, because the higher your returns. But when you are still at a lower, you are putting higher. You're just doing the opposite of the thing. That means you will lose the more. Am I talking to someone? Does that make sense at all? When you are still at it, for example, someone that is in permanent 1, for someone that's in lower level, you're in point 1. You're already call it. You're already you're using what is not meant to at that level. You're using high money because you have the money, you can afford it. By the time you blow them off, you not see it as a scam and say, oh, this is not yielding. It's not for me. It's for some set of people. It's a scam. No, it shouldn't be so. But the higher you go in skill, the higher the money you should now put by then. Or if you leverage your stuffs higher a bit, then you will find. Yes, you should be fine by then. So let me share my screen. One of these open guys. It's called from Deep actually. I just started with it. I threw it out here when I passed. I think I passed everything in. I think I was having those small profits the first 2 weeks. The third week I cleared them off and I passed the second third. The account is phase 2. That's the third week, I think so. And then I pull out 20-something%. That same I think it's in a month or within not up to a month. I think 10 weeks or so. That was when my first commencement of this thing. Profile. I put it out. You can watch the videos, watch my videos there, and I put it out there and I placed for my withdrawal. Everything went smoothly, And then after that, when I brought into it for good day consecutively, I never had a losses. It's not as if I was that a good and expert trader and a fucking crazy accurate trader. Just like I was picking high probable setup. So that thing will make you consistent, will make you profitable. I was picking just 1, 3 or 2 per week, and they are quite high profitable. Very, very high profitable. And the way my trading style is, it helps me to minimize this. Whenever I'm wrong, I will lose less. But whenever I'm winning, whenever that trade goes more in my favor, I'm gonna win more and crazily big. That's what I trade actually. Because I know when the trade confirms its movement, I will see it early. Once the page confirms the movement, if you want to know that, you can join our community where we share insights, educations, and trainings about all the stuffs. So that's for that. That's one of the video for today. So that's for that. So after that 1 month, for like 3 consecutive months, any closure of losses is either I close it myself, or I realize that this market will have to retest around this point. I will have to pull back inverse, usually around this point, and let me just close something minimal so that I can reduce my loss, I can minimize my loss. So I rarely see it hitting my stop loss. Sometimes actually it's crazy. It beats 3 to 4 pips left, and the market just poof. I'll be so happy, like, oh, because I know this trade is good. I'm so happy. So it happened like that for good 3 months, and this guy came for me. That's what I'll tell you now. So I pull out some euros. It becomes, I have about, within that sort of time, I have about 6 to 7. I just need to buy, and I went higher. I bought some. I just buying. By the time I bought, within 1 or 2 years, don't pass. Damn. Pass, bam, enter masters, enter this one, enter their funded, pa. So after a couple of months, this guy came to me. This guy sent me a mail and said, what my really concern was that, okay, they sent a mail that about my profitability, how was it? Okay, maybe I should display this thing or something like that. But I said about valuation rules, something or the other, about their terms, their hidden terms. Just say that their hidden terms. Aside from the big order that we all know and overall, just came up with one hidden rules. According to their rules, this and this, the profitability is something. I don't understand. What do you guys really meant? What are you talking about? Should I not make profit again? So my concern was that the I came now when I was making profit, it wasn't at the time I had a huge pull out. That was when that message now came. One hidden rules, you were telling me about your hidden. Why didn't you tell me this hidden rule when we're struggling with challenges? I don't understand. Why don't you tell me your hidden rule while struggling with challenges? Why I never scaled through to your funded or anything? Can you imagine that kind of stuff? So to me, I had to ask them why just now? Why not when guys are struggling with their challenges? Why not tell them everything? Why are you trying to? I don't understand. People's about to score, you're shifting the goalpost to another place and saying that's where it's naturally meant to have been. I don't fucking understand. So that's why I see pro-firms are just what these guys are low-key scammers, intending to help you, acting as if they want to help you. They're low-key scammers. For me, they're low-key. The best is just what have your money, have your millions of dollars, put into the market and pull out. Have a great investor that can invest in you, $50 million, and then come on, pull out something, $1 billion, pull out something. If you know yourself trading well, you can trade well fantastically, professionally. Why not? Put in there fund and pull out massively rather than trying to go as through. But actually you can start with profit though, but you must be ready to stick with all these crazy fucking hidden rules. They can just come, any hidden rules can just come at any time and they will just seize your profit. Who do you want? Most of all, you just don't have money to pay you. They will just come with something else. And according to this, when was that? Oh, when? Which time? You'll be so concerned and you'll be so baffled that how come? When? What was that? I never knew about this before. Why are you just coming up with this? Why shouldn't you guys inform me? But what I say is that if you are feeling challenges and keep buying, they will not tell you that there is one rule. They will not tell you. Why? Why is that when you're not passing, when you're not pulling out some figures, pulling out some crazy figures, you're not came and to tell you some hidden rules according to some of their okay, wait to. The general way will they know. We will know all together. The one way is what? Overall and then other. Is it bridge? No. Then what the fuck are you telling me? Come on. I think we should be concerned about that this video, even though anyone is doing anything, leave them whatever they are doing. It will definitely affect one thing about market is that whatever you are doing, either is now or later, it will affect your trading listing, the overall the trading, the drawdown one video or the other. That's market for you. So if it's tight, if it's tough, is so by passing about scaling through, one time you cut you hot. So if it's not trading well, no matter what, the daily will be violated one time. A time will come to violate, you get violated. So why not wait for that time and get violated and then I don't understand why. So the point is that why is that they don't tell people who are growing accounts and blind buying a couple of challenges. Some of these hidden rules. Why is it that when some people start doing well, pulling out some figures, a couple of months, and they are like, I see that they don't have money to pay them, or they are fucking broke? Because I do not understand, or they are broke, or they pay out, the pulling out is crazy, not enough funds to sort that up, or what? I do understand. Because if you are intending to help trader, you shouldn't be having any hidden rules. Oh, we are there to help you, give you the money. Are you okay? Which money they give? Are you sure? Oh God, nah, demo. I'm telling you guys that demo. Most of them demo traders, most of them demo account, and they're hoping that you fail it. That's it. They're hoping that you fail it. They're hoping that you just fail. So that you fail, you come and buy another challenge again. It's crazy, guys. So that was my challenge recently. That was my experience recently, and I was like, what the fuck is this? This is exactly why I don't do firms. I just found trade, make my money, pull out, good. Why? I just felt, well, I think I needed something more bigger, or something more, let me try firms and let's see how it goes. And a couple of months, it has been crazy. I can show you some of my stuff. Maybe I'll do it next video. Show you some of my histories and everything. Just see crazy blues. Though there are reds, of course. Yeah, sometimes you just go red. Sometimes the account will never move first. I'll go the first and draw down first. Then 1%, 2% draw down if I'm able to take it up. Then stuff like that. And then just see pop. Just like that. So I'm like, what the fuck? Let me put it out there. Let me know your opinion, or let me know your experience with any of these for any of these programs as well. My experience is just this. I was like, what the fuck? Why now? What the fuck? So if I'm having a huge payout now, I may not be scared. Will they pay me like this? What's going to happen? Come on with another rules again. I don't even hear. Okay, it's like, what did they solve? I don't understand. Come on. But if I'm not profiting, if I lost within one day or blow it off, you will not come out with this one, you will not tell me this rule or anything. Why not? So the question is always why? Why not inform trader even when they are losing? Even why they are struggling to pass challenges, all these hidden rules? Why is it that when they are passing, is it that you don't want to pay them? You start questioning. That is the part. Is it that you don't want to pay? Is it that they are trading a demo account that you are hoping that they failed? Because if it is a demo, if it's a real account, you should be happy as well. If it's in the market, you make money, you share your profits, everybody is good, everybody is worse off, everybody is better off. So that's my question. Is it that you guys offer them demos, and I do understand. That was the point. That was my recent experience with some of these so-called profem, and I wasn't very cool with it. I was not very cool with it, but it's crazy. What should do? I just feel like, oh my god, I wish I can have access to $1 million now. Let me trade, let's make something out of it, man. It's crazy because it's quite appalling to hear such. And I want to put it out there that you should know that and have it in mind that professionals are not there to help you actually. The best is just to have your money or someone else, any relatives, family that can fund you hugely, and if you know you can profit well, then it is well in the market. Look for good opportunities in the market. Do your things and make your money and pull out your stuff. Shoot, man. Let me know your experience in the chat box, how you're able to deal with all these hidden rules, or any your own experience, personal experience that you have with any of these so-called prophets and the likes like that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, to join me, share this video, and join our community where we share signals, education trends, and lots more and perks. Thank you so much once again, and have a wonderful day. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.